Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's us welcome our principal, Miss Posin, to be on stage for our Woodpecker Award presentation. Let's welcome our first winner, Casey Tan, for winning Awesome Attitude Award. Next, shall we have Elise for winning Helpful Heart Award. And now we have this award is Super Learner Award goes to He Wen Xuan. Coming up, let's welcome and congratulations to Isabel Chai for winning Super Reader Award. And now we have your awards. We have Best Improvement Award, Mira Clan Lai. And now we have Hayden Wong for winning Most Creative Award. Coming up next, the Best Buddy Award, Fong Xin Yi, Buddy Buddy. And now we have Super Stylish Award, Style of Milo, Lai Chua. Last but not least, let's welcome Chua Sin Heng for his Curious Explorer Award. Shall we have all children onto the stage for group photo? Once again, congratulations to our Woodpecker Playgroup for winning awards for yourself. Alright, look at the cameraman. Stay in position. Yes. Alright. Nice costume, nice smile, and definitely can get a nice photo. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, applause to our little award recipient from Woodpecker. Let's look at Coco. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Alright. Let's take a video. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Hi! Once again, thank you children. Thank you Miss Posin. Please be seated. Good job children. Thank you Miss Posin.